In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw on Notion. If you've ever wished you could sketch an idea, map a quick diagram, or scribble notes right inside your Notion page, this simple method will get you there in minutes by embedding an online whiteboard. First, open the Notion website in your browser. Make sure you're signed in and navigate to the page where you want your drawing space to live. This could be a project page, a meeting notes doc, or any workspace where a visual canvas would help. Keeping that page open will make it easy to jump back to it in a moment. Next, open a new browser tab and go to onlineboard.eu. This site provides a clean, shareable drawing board that works well when embedded. Once you're on the site, look for the Share option. Click Share to generate a link to the board. This link is what allows Notion to display the whiteboard right inside your page. When the link appears, copy it. If you're prompted with any additional sharing preferences, the default settings typically work fine for a quick sketchboard. Now switch back to your Notion page. Paste the link you just copied directly into the page. Notion will recognize that it's a link and will offer you options for how to add it. Choose Embed. That's the key action that transforms the plain link into an interactive whiteboard block. After you click Embed, Notion will load a preview and place the board on your page. From here, you can draw right inside Notion. The embedded board behaves like a canvas within your document, so you can use your mouse, trackpad, or stylus to sketch ideas, outline workflows, or highlight concepts alongside your text and databases. If the board takes a moment to load, just give it a second. Once it appears, you're good to go. Feel free to draw whatever you want. This setup is great for quick wireframes, classroom notes, brainstorming sessions, or even simple doodles to help you think. If you plan to collaborate, others who can access your Notion page will see the embedded board as well, so it's a convenient spot for visual discussions right next to your written content. And that's all you need. Open Notion and your chosen page, head to onlineboard.eu, click Share, copy the link, paste it into Notion, and choose Embed. With that, you've turned your Notion page into a space where text and sketches live side by side, keeping your ideas connected and easy to reference.